Stuntmen, 1973. Copyright JAF Corporation.
Bob tells the stuntman the stunt's to be done. The cowboy jumps down into action in the saloon. The angry cowboy is overcome rapidly. After his crime, the robber has to escape fast. Here he is, recaptured by the sheriff. A strange fight finishes with a fall into a ravine. After 60 seconds, the stuntman suffocates. Motorcycle chase on one wheel. Inevitably, he falls off. The stunt works first time. The stuntman gets ready for the wall of flames. Firmly fixed to the car and ready to go. Riding through the furnace. The stuntman narrowly escapes from the trap. The right tire bursts. Quick, onto two wheels. The welcome committee is unhappy. To get away, you get away by any means. Well done! The stuntman grabs the ladder as it goes by. Falling into a ravine, it's a piece of cake! All the same, that was some fall. Cheerio, friends. See you soon.